begin our last class of this topic ማለት ነው greetings and introductions and small talks በዚህ ሳምንት ያልቃል ማለት ነው። በዚህ ሳምንት ያልቃል፣ ዛሬ ያልቃል፣ ነገ ታይምስ እንዴት እንጀምራለን ማለት ነው። so after this class አንድ ተጨማሪ ታስክ ይሰጣችኋል። ከዛ ደግሞ ነገ ጠዋት ላይ ኩዊዝ ይኖረናል ማለት ነው። from greetings and introductions ኩዊዝ ይኖረናል። ሁሉም ሰው እሱን ኩዊዝ ይወስዳል ማለት ነው። ሜን ቻናሉ ላይ ነው የሚለቀቀው ኩዊዙ። ኢንዲቪጁዋል ኩዊዝ እሺ፣ እዛው አሳይን የሚደረግ ኢንዲቪጁዋል ኩዊዝ ይኖረናል። ሰው ግን እየገባ አይደለም። What time will the quiz be ብለውኛል። ኩዊዙ ጠዋት ላይ ነው የሚለቀቀው። you can finish እዛው ሰልፍ አሰስ ነው የሚያደርጋችሁ ኩዊዙ። you can finish እናንተ በራሳችሁ ታይም መጨረስ ትችላላችሁ። choosing ስለሆነ የሚሆነው it's not going to be hard, it's not going to require a lot from you guys, so you can do it in your spare time. ኦፊስ ታይም ላይ የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ ወጣ ብላችሁ ወይ እዛውን ቁጭ ብላችሁ መስራት የምትችሉት አይነት ነገር ነው የሚሆነው። it's going to be really easy. Should we have 41 people? I think we should begin now. So እንዳልኩት this is going to be the last lesson. በየቶፒኩ ሁለት ላይቭ ሴሽን ነው የሚኖረን። Okay guys, በየቶፒኩ ሁለት ላይቭ ሴሽን ይኖረናል. So this is the last lesson from greetings and introductions and small talks. So የመጀመሪያ ሌሰናችን ላይ ባለፈው ላይ we mastered greetings and introductions, how to say hello, how do we introduce our names, እንዴት አድርገን ነው ከሰዎች ጋር ስንገናኝ ያለንን ነገር አይተን ነበርና ከዛ በኋላ ግን ምንድነው okay what happens next? We introduced our names, we said nice to meet you too. What happens after that? That's what matters. Okay? እሱ ነው ማተር የሚያደርገው። so once you say nice to meet you and you can't just stand there in silence, የሆነ awkward በሆነ ሳይለንስ ውስጥ ጸጥ ብላችሁ እርስ በርስ የተያያችሁ እንትን ማለት የለባችሁም እና ኮኔክሽኑን ወይም ደግሞ ኮንቨርሴሽኑን ለማስቀጠል እና ፍሬንድሊ ሪሌሽንሽፕ እንዲኖራችሁ ከዛ ከማታውቁት ሰው ጋር ማለት ነው። ከምታውቁት ሰው ጋርም ሊሆን ይችላል ስሞል ቶክ፣ ግን ከማታውቁት ሰው ጋር አዲስ ከተዋወቃችሁት ሰው ጋር ፍሬንድሊ የሆነ ሪሌሽንሽፕ ዴቨሎፕ ለማድረግ ስሞል ቶክ የሚባል ቫይታል የሆነ የሶሻል ቱል መጠቀም እንችላለን ማለት ነው። So we are going to see about the purpose of small talk and how we can have small talks, some prompts, small talk ላይ ያሉ ፕሮምፕቶችን እናያለን ማለት ነው። So what is the purpose of small talk? የመጀመሪያው it breaks the ice. ዝምታችንን ትብር ያደርግልናል። Okay? It breaks the ice. So it cuts through awkward silences in elevators, parties, office break rooms, everywhere. የሆነ ዝም ተብሎ መደባበር ያለበት ክፍል ላይ ወይም ደግሞ ቦታ ላይ አይሱን ብሬክ ያደርግልናል ወይ ነው ዝምታውን ይሰብርልናል ማለት ነው። And it shows the other person that you are approachable, friendly and polite. ለሌላ ሰው ዌልካሚንግ እንደሆናችሁ ያሳይልናል ማለት ነው። This is just to give you a briefing about what small talk is in G. This is not a social class, as you guys know. This is an English language class. ሌላው ደግሞ the other thing and the very important one ምንድን ነው ደግሞ it finds common ground. በደንብ እንድታወሩ የሚያደርጋችሁ ስለሆነ ነገር አሁን ለምሳሌ ስለ ወርልድ ካፕ አሁን ላይ ወርልድ ካፕ ላይ ነው ያለ ነው you can say do you watch the world cup እንደዚህ ብላችሁ conversation መጀመር ትችላላችሁ. If the other person actually watches the world cup then you have something to talk about ከነዛ ሰዎች ጋር. Okay? So it finds common ground ማለት shared የሆነ interest ካላችሁ favorite የሆነ sport ካላችሁ if that person enjoys basketball and you do too ስለሱ ታወራላችሁ. If you have a cafe favorite cafe that you go to ሙቹዋል የሆነ ዊኬንድ ፕላን አሁን ለምሳሌ ጎልፊንግ የሚሄድ ከሆነ ያ ሰው or bowling የሚሄድ ከሆነ ያ ሰው about that you can talk about that ማለት ነው. Okay, so let's see some common small talk responses and ምን ሊወራ ይችላል. For example, you can talk about the weather and environment. Is it clear, guys, so far? እስቲ ንገሩኝ እንትኑ ላንሳው ነው. Is it clear so far? Audible, clear? You can tell me in the chats. Live chat ላይ መንገር ትችላላችሁ። እሺ? If you have questions, you can stop me and ask me. I will just keep going. So small talk ስንል ጊዜ እንደ ወሬ እንደ መጀመር እንደማለት ነው አይደል? So you can talk about the weather and environment. ስለ አየር ንብረቱ ማውራት ትችላላችሁ። ስለ አካባቢ ማውራት ትችላላችሁ። Okay? You can talk about the current weather. Okay, you can comment on how nice and cold and rainy it is. አሁን ላይ ዝናቡ ደስ ሲል ማለት ትችላላችሁ in English. You can talk about the crowd and traffic. ዛሬ በጣም መንገድ ተጨናንቆ በጣም በከባድ ሁኔታ ነው ኦፊስ የገባሁት ማለት ትችላላችሁ. You can talk about this. You can talk about general greetings and check-ins. Okay, እንዴት ነው how's your day going, how's your week going, how's the weekend going እንደዚህ ያላችሁ መጠያየቅ ትችላላችሁ. You can celebrate about how the weekend is closed with ቅዳሜና እሑድ መጣልን ደግሞ ብላችሁ ስለሱ ደግሞ celebrate ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ. You can reflect on a very long day, for example, like you work in this work intensive environment የምትሰሩበት ቦታ በጣም ስራ የበዛበት ከሆነ you can reflect on that. Oh, I had the worst day today. እንደዚህ ብላችሁ ቶካችሁን እንትን ማለት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው. Is it clear, guys? I hope it's clear. Okay, so you can ask about the location and venue. You can ask if it's somebody's first time at a location. Is it your first time here? ብላችሁ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ. Or you can ask, do you live nearby? እዚህ አካባቢ ትኖራለህ? Okay. Do you live near Lebu? You can ask those questions. You can use them to introduce yourself politely to someone new. You can use small talk to praise someone's shoes ወይም ደግሞ ጃኬታቸውን ወይም ኮታቸውን praise ለማድረግ መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው. So we're going to see prompts, okay? We're going to see prompts ወይም ደግሞ ኤግዛምፕሎችን እናያለን ስለ small talk ምን ልትሉ እንደምትችሉ in real life ምን ብላችሁ መናገር እንደምትችሉ real life conversationዎችን አዘጋጅቼላችኋለሁ እነሱን እናያለን ማለት ነው. So you can also talk about your shared experiences, okay? አሁን ለምሳሌ ፕሪሚየር ሊግ ወይም ደግሞ ቻምፒየንስ ሊግ የሚያይ ሰው ስለሱ ከአዲስ ሰው ጋር ቢገናኝ በደንብ አድርጎ ማውራት ይችላል right because they have shared interest shared experience አላቸው ስለዛ ነገር ስለዛ ወሬ shared experience ስላላቸው they can talk about or they can chat about a sports game from the previous night. Okay, ስለ World Cup እንዳልኳቸው አሁን it's the hottest issue right now, so you can talk about the World Cup. Who are you cheering for? Who are you rooting for? Who's your favorite team? Who's your favorite country? ብላችሁ መናገር ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ለእንደዚህ አይነት ነገሮች ማውራት ትችላላችሁ። You can also, when it comes to shared experiences, you can also ask someone, have you ever been to Koba Pastries? ብላችሁ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ. Have you ever been to this Pizza Hut restaurant? ብላችሁ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። Or pizzeria. So let's see real life examples. Real life examples. አሁን what I want you guys to do is እነዚህን ኤግዛምፕሎች out loud ራሳችሁ እያነበባችሁ individually ማለት ነው individually ራሳችሁ እያነበባችሁ እንድትለማመዷቸው ፈልጋለሁ. Okay? These are real life examples. አሁን in real life ልትጠቀሙባቸው የምትችሉ ኤግዛምፕሎች ናቸው ማለት ነው. So you can say nice weather today, isn't it? አሁን ሁል ጊዜ እንደዚህ majority of the time what I find difficult or hard for you guys is you sound robotic በብዛት ማለት ነው robotic የሆነ way of speaking ነው ያለው እኛ ሀገር እና ምንድነው ቴክስት ነው የሚመስለው ምናነብ ነው የምንመስለው ስናወራ ራሱ የሚነበብ ነው የሚመስለው ለሱ ደግሞ ምንድነው የሚያስፈልገን ድምጸታችን okay the way our voice comes out እሱ በጣም ማተር ያደርጋል. Okay, so for example, listen to me say this. Nice weather today, isn't it? You see, it sounds like a real conversation. Yeah, it's lovely. You see, ድምጻችሁን እንትን በሉት. Nice weather today, isn't it? ከምንል nice weather today, and then you pause. ከዛ you say, isn't it? ከዛ the other person is obliged to speak. ስለዚህ ምን ይላሉ? Yeah, it's lovely ይላሉ ማለት ነው. You can also say, did you watch the game last night? Yeah, it was really exciting. ወይም ደግሞ ካላያችሁት ደግሞ you can say, no, I missed it. ስለዚህ ድምጸታችሁን በደንብ make sure that you're sounding like what you're meaning. You can ask, how's your day going? So far so good. And you? ብላችሁ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ። አሁን እዚህ ጋር ቅድም ያየናቸው ፕሮምፕቶች በሙሉ በኤግዛምፕል አምጥቻቸው ነው ማለት ነው። አሁን አንዳንዴ በጣም ሳምንቱ በጣም ፈጠነብኝ እንላለን። This week is going by so fast. This week is going by so fast. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Tell me about it ስንል we're agreeing. እየተስማማ ነው። ቀላል እንደማለት ነው። Okay? So this week is going by so fast ስንል tell me about it. We're agreeing here. ይህንን በቴል ሚ አባውት ኢት የምትለዋን ፓርት ከአግሪንግ ኤንድ ዲስአግሪንግ የሚለው ቶፒክ ላይ በደንብ እናየዋለን። ኔክስት አፕ ዩን ሴይ ኢትስ ኦልሞስት ዘ ዊኬንድ። አሁን ይሄ በጣም ደስ የሚለን የምንወደው ኒውስ ነው አይደለም? ያ አይ ካንት ዌይት። ይሄም አግሪንግ ነው፣ አግሪ እያደረግ ነው። በጣም ኤክሳይትድ ስንሆን ጊዜ ያ አይ ካንት ዌይት እንላለን ማለት ነው። You can also say the traffic was terrible this morning. The traffic was terrible this morning. Yeah, it was. It took forever to get here. መንገዱ ዝግትግት ብሎባችሁ በቃ በጣም ረጅም ጊዜ ወስዶባችሁ ከሆነ እየገባችሁ ያላችሁት ወደ ስራ you can say the traffic was terrible this morning. Yeah, it was. It took me forever to get here ማለት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ሌላው ደግሞ you can compliment someone about their shoes, their jacket ብለን የለ you can say I love your shoes. They could say thanks, I just got them. I just got them. Or you can say I just got them. Okay? So I just got them means አሁን ነው የገዛሁት ወይም ደግሞ በቅርብ ጊዜ አሁን ነው የገዛሁት ለማለት ነው። You can also ask about events and venues and locations ብለናል አይደል? So you can ask, are you here for the event? Are you here for the event? Yeah, I just got here. And you? ኦኬ አሁን ይሄንን ራሳችሁ ጠያቂና መላሽ እየሆናችሁ ብትለማመዱት በጣም ጥሩ ነው ማለት ነው። You can also talk about the weather ብለናል። So you can say looks like it's going to rain. ቢዘንብ ይመስላል። Looks like it's going to rain. Yeah, I hope you brought an umbrella. I hope you brought an umbrella. Okay, ጥላ አምጥተሻል ብዬ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። I hope you brought an umbrella. You can also ask about whether it's the first time for them or not. Is it your first time here? የመጀመሪያ ጊዜሽ ነው እዚህ ስትመጪ? Yeah, it is. Looks like a nice place. Okay? እንደዛ ብለን መመለስ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። So how's it going? ለሚለው ጥያቄ ደግሞ pretty good. Thanks. How about you? Pretty good. Thanks. How about you? ከዚህ በፊት አይተነዋል አይደል? how's it going ግዴታ አድርገን የላስት ታይም ክላሳችን ላይ how's it going ስንባል ብለን መመለስ እንደምንችል common responses በሚለው አይተነው ነበር። So you can also talk about the weather by saying I can't believe how cold it is today. I can't believe how cold it is today. I know, right? It's freezing. I know, right? It's freezing. Okay? Practice this. You can say I like your accent. Where are you from? እዚህ ጋር ጥያቄ ምልክት ትቀራለች። I like your accent. The way they talk ማለት ነው አነጋገራቸው። It could be British, it could be American, it could be Scottish. እዚህ በእኛ ሀገር ደግሞ ካየነው ከተለያዩ ክፍለ ሀገራት ሲመጣ ሰው የተለያየ አክሰንት ይዟር ላይ ይመጣ I like your accent. Where are you from? You can say that. Thanks, I'm from ብለው የመጡበትን ቦታ ይነግሩናል ማለት ነው። Okay? Do you come here often? Yeah, pretty often. እቺ often ስናነባ ጊዜ ቲ you can read that. Okay? Often. አንዳንዴ ላይ ነበብም ይችላል ሰው yeah, pretty often. And you? ሁል ጊዜ ሌላውን ሰው እንዲያወራ ጋብዙት። Okay? Instead of cutting the conversation short, try to invite the other person to talk too. ዝግት ካደረግነው ዝግት ነው። awkward የሆነ silence ነው ድጋሚ back to square one, right? So, but if you invite them to talk and keep asking them questions, the conversation will be alive. ከዛ ደግሞ በደንብ ትተዋወቃላችሁ ማለት ነው with the other person. That is what greetings and introductions is all about. እንዳልኳችሁ ደግሞ ስላሳለፋችሁት ረጅም ቀን ማማራርም ደግሞ ትችላላችሁ፣ መብታችሁ ነው። Okay? So you can say what a long day. What a long day. በጣም ከብዷችሁ ደክሟችሁ ሊሆን ይችላል. Tell me about it. I'm so tired. Okay, you can say this. In a party, you can also ask, are you enjoying the party? Yeah, I'm having a great time. And you? See, you're inviting the other person to talk to. It is so busy here today, isn't it? Yeah, it's packed. ሙልት ብሏል ማለት ነው። Okay? በጣም እንትን ብሏል ማለት ነው። በጣም ቢዚ ሆኗል፣ ሙልት ብሏል ማለት ነው። So you can also use a small talk to introduce yourself politely to other people. So, hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Alex. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Alex. So, nice to meet you, Alex. Alex, you could say so, you can also ask people whether they live around. So, do you live around here? Yeah, I live nearby. And you? Yeah, I live nearby. And you? So, some conversation starter prompts ምንላቸው ወይም ደግሞ የሆነ ንግግርን ለመጀመር የሚጠቅማችሁ prompts ምንድን ናቸው? እዚህ ጋር አስቀምጠናቸዋል ማለት ነው። So, when it comes to weather, you can say, beautiful day, isn't it? Because the other person would probably say something about the day. በጣም ያምራል ቆንጆ ቀን ነው የሚለውን ነገር በደንብ አብራርቶ ይነግረን ይችላል ማለት ነው። Depending on the personality of the other person. it looks like it's going to rain. ሚዘንብ ይመስላል ዛሬ ስንል it looks like it's going to rain. It looks like it's going to rain. ከዛ ደግሞ you can also say I hear it's going to be sunny this weekend. የዌዘር ፎርካስት ሰምታችሁ ሊሆን ይችላል። So you can say I hear it's going to be sunny this weekend. Okay? እነዚህን የዌዘር ፕሮምፕቶች መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ ወይም ደግሞ ቴምፕሌቶች ማለት ነው። ኦልሬዲ የተዘጋጁ ነገሮች ናቸው። What you have to take note here is when it comes to English ማለት ነው እያንዳንዷን vocabulary or word build ብታደርጉ it's really pointless. What you have to really look forward to is ወይም ደግሞ በደንብ ማተኮር ያለባችሁ ምን ላይ ነው? ኦልሬዲ ሬዲ ሜድ የሆኑ ላንጉዌጆችን በደንብ እነሱን ማንበብ፣ እነሱን ማየት፣ እነሱን መጠቀም would help you get to fluency better. ወደ ፍሉዌንሲ በደንብ የሚመራችሁ ምንድን ነው? ኦልሬዲ የተዘጋጁ ሴንተንሶች ወይም ደግሞ ሀረጎችን በደንብ ብታነቡ ወይም ደግሞ ብትጠቀሙ in your daily living እሱ ነው የሚጠቅማችሁ ከቮካብላሪ accumulate ከማድረግ የበለጠ ማለት ነው። Okay? So that is the reason why I prepared this for you guys. ሌላው when it comes to jobs, you can ask, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? ምንድን ነው የምትሰራው ማለት ነው። ምንድን ነው የምትሰራው? ስራህ ምንድን ነው የሚለው በሌላው what is your job እንደማለት ነው። So what do you do for a living? Try to use this one. እሺ? Where do you work? Where do you work? Is your job stressful? Is your job stressful? ስለ ስራ ይሄንን መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ። So ስለ free time ደግሞ what do you like doing in your spare time? What do you like doing in your spare time? በትርፍ ሰዓትህ ምን መስራት ትወዳለህ? Do you have any hobbies? ይሄንን አሁን in your respective groups በግሩፕ ሆናችሁ ይሄንን ዲስከስ ብታደርጉ በጣም ጥሩ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። It would let you guys know each other better. Have you ever been skydiving? መቼስ አንድ ሰው አይጠፋም ከእናንተ ውስጥ skydiving ይሄደ። So have you ever been skydiving? Okay. When it comes to food, you can say, wow, that pizza looks delicious. Have you tried a new restaurant down the street? አዲሱን ሬስቶራንት እዛ ታች ያለውን ሞክረሃል? ሂደሃል? በልተሃል? እዛ ብላችሁ ለመጠየቅ can say, have you tried the new restaurant down the street? Okay. Do you know any good coffee shops around here or near here? ብላችሁ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። Okay. At a party ወይም ድግስ ላይ ደግሞ you can ask, so how do you know the host? How do you know the host? ደጋሹን በምንድን ነው የምታውቀው? ደጋሿን በምንድን ነው የምታውቃት? የሚለውን ጥያቄ ማለት ነው። have you tried the ጠጅ? ጠጁን ሞክረኸው ነበር? ጠጁን ሞክረኸዋል? ጠላውን ሞክረኸዋል? ዊስኪውንም ሞክረኸዋል? የፈለጋችሁት ማለት ትችላላችሁ። or if you don't drink ደግሞ you can say whatever you want. Are you having a good time? ፓርቲ ላይ ማለት ነው። ፈታ እያልክ ነው እንዴት ነው የሚለውን ብሎ ለመጠየቅ you can say, are you having a good time? Are you having a good time? ብላችሁ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ። or when it comes to compliments ወይም ደግሞ ሰዎችን ወደ ማሞገስ ስንመጣ ደግሞ you can talk about their personality or you can talk about their outer appearance. Okay? ለምሳሌ ጃኬት ከላይ የለበሱት ጃኬት አሪፍ ከሆነ your jacket is really nice. Where did you get it? የት ነው የገዛኸው? የት ነው የገዛሽው ለማለት where did you get it? Okay? If you don't mind me saying, you look great today. If you don't mind me saying, you look great today. I like your watch. Where'd you buy it? I like your watch. Where did you buy it? Okay, where'd you get it? Now where'd you buy it? It's the same thing. Office ውስጥ ደግሞ you can say, have you been working here long? Have you been working here long? Especially አዲስ ሆናችሁ ተቀጣሪ ሆናችሁ ስትገቡ ጊዜ እዛ ኦልሬዲ ሲሰራ የነበረ ሲኒየርን እንደዚህ ብላችሁ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ። have you been working here long? You can say, any plans for the weekend? To your colleague ማለት ነው። You can say, I can't believe how busy we are today. I can't believe how busy we are today. Let's say you work at a bank and it's been crazy the whole day. So you can say, I can't believe how busy we are today. Can you? To your colleague ማለት ነው። You can talk about current events. አሁን ላይ ስላለ ኢቨንትም ደግሞ በስሞል ቶካችሁ ላይ ማውራት ትችላላችሁ። So you can ask, did you hear about the big game last night? Okay, did you hear about the big game last night? ስለ ትናንትናው ጸዴ ጌም ሰምተሻል? የሚለውን መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ። You can also ask, what do you think about the new city project? What do you think about the new city project? ስለ አዲሱ የከተማ ፕሮጀክት ምን ታስባለህ? ምን ታስቢያለሽ? Okay. Also, you can say, I read in the paper today. I read. Past this one, read ነው አይደለ? ሲጻፍ ራሱ ነው ግን when we read it, we say read. Okay, I read in the paper today that gas prices are dropping. ነዳጅ የቀነሰ ነው የሚል ነገር አነበብኩኝ ዛሬ። Okay, it's a current event, right? So you can say, I read in the paper today that gas prices are dropping, or I read in the internet today that gas prices are dropping ብላችሁ መመለስ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። Okay? So, I hope it was clear. Was it clear? Do you have questions? I hope you can hear me now. I hope you can hear me now. Good. So I can address some of the questions asked here. እዚህ የተጠየቁትን አንዳንድ ጥያቄዎች let me address them. Somebody asked, I think you're streaming from your phone. It's hard to read. I am going to share this slide with you guys, so it's okay. ችግር የለውም። Out of topic, can we use this live anytime? Yeah, I'm going to share this. I'm going to share the link on our group or on our channel. እሱን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ at any time. Okay, as long as you have the link, you can use it. Very clear blowኛል, clear about how to communicate with you. Now you can communicate with me. You can write down in the comment section. I'll address some questions and we can move on. We are required to memorize those things or prompts. It's really advisable. ብታስታውሱት በጣም ጥሩ ነው፣ ይጠቅማችኋል. It has been a good lesson. If you could also please share some videos on this topic. What do you mean videos? Nathaniel, make it clear for me. make it clear for me ምን አይነት ቪዲዮ ለማለት ሌላ ሰው የሰራው ቪዲዮ ነው ወይስ? because if that is the question I think you can find many videos on YouTube. You can ask me any question. እዚህ ጋር የተያያዘ last week ላይ የተያያዘ and about your tasks. ስለ ታስካችሁ መንገር ትችላላችሁ አሁን now that we're here. Hikma asked, can we use a task? Can we do the task individually? The whole point of grouping you guys into 10 is so that you can practice your speaking. ስፒኪንጋችሁን ነው ለማመዱ የምፈልገው እንጂ ታስኩን ኢንዲቪጁዋሊ መስራትማ ሁላችሁም ትሰሩታላችሁ፣ ችግር የለባችሁም እኮ። ግን በደንብ እንድታወሩ የተሰባበረም እንግሊዝኛ ቢሆን አንድ ላይ እንድትነጋገሩ ነው የምፈልገው። for this ደግሞ we have an example. group 5 በደንብ ያወራሉ፣ group 11 በደንብ ያወራሉ። okay, a lot of you guys do, but these guys are taking it to another level. okay, so what I want you guys to do is to have voice chats and go live. ከዛ በደንብ እንድትነጋገሩ ነው የምፈልገው። Nathaniel asked, yeah, that is my question. የሌላ ሰው ቪዲዮዎች ይኖራሉ ቲክቶክ ላይ ዩቲዩብ ላይ አይጠፋም። about small talk. ስለ small talk ብላችሁ ብትገቡ in English you can also use AI መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ. you can ask Gemini about this. መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ሰው አሁን ላይ እኮ የኢንፎርሜሽን እጥረት የለም ማለት ባለፈው እንዳልነው። okay, anything else guys? Can you recommend a book to be more effective? I have shared on my main channel ላይ የሆነ መጽሐፍ ሼር አድርጌያለሁ። some Chinese dude የጻፈው መጽሐፍ okay, it is a really good book when it comes to speaking. በደንብ በ6 ወር ውስጥ እንዴት አድርጌ ኢንግሊሽ ፍሉዌንት ሆንኩኝ የሚል መጽሐፍ ነውና እሱን ገብታችሁ ቼክ አድርጉ። ኦኬ፣ እሱን ሜን ቻናሌ ላይ ገብታችሁ እሱን I think talk English መሰለኝ ርዕሱ ጽዮን፣ እሱን ገብተሽ ቼክ ማድረግ ትችላለሽ። እሺ፣ I believe አሁን ላይ ብንዘጋው ምክንያቱም ላይቭ በጣም ረጅም ነው የሚሆነው and it would be really difficult to I haven't shared it today, but I shared it a while back, so I think you can find it. ሌሎችም ጠቃሚ መጽሐፎችን ታገኛላችሁ። So our mistake is not these things, rather our deficiency is for communication. So please arrange a time to communicate with you to develop our confidence. I would love that. That would be really good, but feasible ግን አይሆንም። feasible አይሆንም ስላችሁ like we have a lot of you guys and me communicating with you individually or in a group wouldn't be feasible. በጣም ረዥም ሰዓት አይኖረንም። clearly we're human, right? So what we should do, ሌሎች ግሩፖች እያደረጉት እንዳለው is have live sessions. We can ገብተን እንትን እንላለን፣ ጆይን አድርገን ሞዴሬት ልናደርግ እንችላለን። so ሁሉንም ታስካችሁን ልክ ስትጨርሱ ጊዜ every group is going to have a presentation about the tasks. ስለ ታስኮቻችሁ ፕሬዘንት ታደርጋላችሁ። ከዛ በሱ ላይ እንትን እንላለን ማለት ነው። You shared some storybook but I lost it. Can I find that book? You can find it. እዛው ቻናል ላይ አለ። ሰሊና እንግሊሽ ሜን ቻናል ላይ 7000 ፎሎወር ያለበት ቻናል ላይ አለላችሁ። Okay, John said thank you so much. I read that book. Yeah. You're welcome. Okay, good night. you can ቃል ኪዳን you can talk to AI and practice. You can also ask AI to fix your mistakes ልክ ስታወሩ ጊዜ ኦኬ። ከዚህ በኋላ አንድ ታስክ ሼር እናደርጋለን ዛሬ ወይ ነገ ጠዋት። ከዛ በኋላ ደግሞ ኩዊዝ ይኖራል ማለት ነው። የዚህ ቶፒክ ማገባደጃ ኩዊዝ ይኖራል። እሱን ኩዊዝ ሁላችሁም ትወስዳላችሁ። ኦኬ ጉድ ናይት።